we're going to look back at a time when we didn't have these vehicles flying over our skies and thinking, can't believe we didn't have this. The X4 is going to be 100 times quieter than a helicopter. It's going to be zero carbon. It's going to be a fraction of the cost. Most important of all, it's going to be 100 times safer. So this is going to open up urban air mobility to a whole new range of passengers. It's the most exciting time in aviation for the last 70 years, really since the jet engine transformed the possibilities of flight. Electrification is having that same impact today. The energy transition, the switch from fossil fuels to zero carbon energy supplies is the biggest challenge facing humanity. I really believe in the power of human ingenuity and the spirit of creativity that drives us to find solutions to these challenges. If we focus on finding the solutions, this will drive us towards electrification of flight. This is probably the first commercial aircraft that most people will fly on that will have a zero carbon footprint. We've really embraced a partnership model, working with some of the world's leading suppliers in both aerospace and automotive. Companies like Rolls-Royce, who are providing our electric motors, maximizing weight and power efficiency, but also reliability. Companies like Honeywell, who've got more than 70 years experience building avionics and flight control systems. We're using the same basic technology that they've developed for the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, customized and designed for our vehicle. We're delighted to be working with such great global partners. I love traveling. I love flying to new places. It cannot be that the way we're going to solve climate change is by asking everybody to do less, to travel less, to turn back time and forego some of the advantages that technology has brought us. And I think when people start to understand just how much better these vehicles are than what we have today, it's going to completely change how people think about flying through the skies.